Are you looking for the best camera gimbals? In this video we will look at some of the best camera gimbals on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Suitphoto S40 Stabilizer. The Suitphoto S40 handheld stabilizer is suitable for any kind of camera. With its elegant design and robust construction, the Suitphoto S40 handheld stabilizer is one of the best camera gimbals you can buy under $100. This stabilizer is suitable for any kind of camera, from a GoPro to a DSLR, and provides excellent support for up to 3 kilograms of weight. The Suitphoto S40 is lightweight enough to be carried for extended periods. Plus, with both low, high and 360 degrees omnidirectional shooting capabilities, you can easily change your perspective. The Suitphoto S40 boasts a 3-axis gimbal, a foam hand grip, 4 removable weight discs, and a quick extend action. The number of removable counterweight discs at the bottom of the gimbal can be adjusted based on the size of your camera. When packed down, the Suitphoto S40 is less than 30 centimeters tall, so you can take it anywhere and never miss any action. At number 2, DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Extremely portable and functional, the DJI Osmo 3 is great if you film videos on your smartphone. This tiny battery-powered mobile gimbal comes with a face tracking feature and superb stabilization. Designed for both beginners and more advanced users, the affordable Osmo is straightforward to use. Whether you plan to use it for vlogging, interviews or to shoot hyperlapses, this foldable gimbal will not disappoint. Editing is just as simple as shooting, thanks to the DJI Mimo app that helps you achieve great results. Available for both iOS and Android, the app connects the gimbal to the smartphone wirelessly, so you can change settings and start shooting without touching the screen. At number 3, Roxant Pro Video Camera Stabilizer. A budget-friendly stabilizer for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The Roxant Pro Video Camera Stabilizer is effective if you have to shoot in tight spaces. If you're after a camera stabilizer for beginners that you can take on your travels, the Roxant Pro is a budget-friendly option worth considering. This gimbal is extremely compact. You can throw it in your backpack without having to carry a separate bag for it. The Roxant Pro provides stabilization thanks to 3 adjustable counterweights located in the lower part of the gimbal. Thanks to its size, this stabilizer is particularly effective in tight spaces. Whether you are shooting in a car, a crowded bar, or in a narrow corridor, you'll be able to capture smooth video effortlessly. At number 4, Carbon Fiber Handheld Stabilizer. An ultra-lightweight stabilizer with a comfortable grip and a modern design, the Carbon Fiber Handheld Stabilizer boasts a quick-release system. Affordable, versatile, and lightweight, the Carbon Fiber Handheld Stabilizer has gleaned some excellent reviews. This handheld gimbal is ideal for those starting out in filmmaking. It will enhance their movies from day one. 2 views of the Carbon Fiber Handheld Stabilizer with a DSLR camera mounted on top of it. The Carbon Fiber Handheld Stabilizer has a comfortable rubber grip. It is made of carbon fiber and boasts a simple quick-release attachment system. The joints are fluid and the rubber handle makes it very comfortable to hold, even if you are shooting for long hours. The Camera Gimbal supports DSLRs with a weight of up to 3 kilograms and can also be used with camcorders. At number 5, Flycam HD 3000. A lighter and more accessible option is the Flycam HD 3000 handheld video stabilizer. It can support cameras and lenses with a weight of up to 3.5 kilograms and offers excellent stability. Even less experienced users will find this gimbal straightforward, thanks to its simple design and quick setup. While robust and durable, the Flycam HD 3000 is compact and portable. Its height can be adjusted when more vertical balance is needed, allowing you to switch from 40 cm to 60 cm by unlocking the central post. It is fairly affordable and lets you capture fluid motion shots, which add a cinematic feel to your videos. It is quite heavy to carry, however, and perhaps not ideal if you plan to shoot for extended periods of time. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.